Hey YouTube, I just got back from FYE today while I was in the mall, and I got something today that came out today. I've been waiting to watch this for a long time. I love the first one. It was great. What I get today? Sharknado 2 extended version. The second one, it says extended director's cut, more sharks, more NATO. Never extra scenes. It's gonna be awesome to watch this on Blu-ray, or I'll do unboxing for you. The Discer. I'm gonna go watch this maybe today. I'm not sure because I'm busy and go see some other movie in the theater, the Left Behind movie. Have a good day, YouTube. Enjoy everything. Bye.